Hi guys, happy any day this video reached to you. It's the beginning of the week. It's a beautiful day and it's also cooking day. I'm not sure what's going on with my videos and my editing skill, but I'm really struggling at that. Now, I was in the city recently visiting with my son and I made a cooking video and I have no idea what took place with the video. I tried uploading the video. When I upload the video, it appears as if the video was only 3 minutes when it should have been more, which means that maybe I thought I was taping when I wasn't taping. Maybe the camera wasn't running. I don't know. Hot mess. But today is cooking day and I will upload the video very soon, honey. If not, the next video will be how to run over a phone with your car. Now I bet that will be more interesting. Okay, so let's get started. But before cooking, guys, she needs some coffee, so we're making some coffee. I no longer use an old big coffee pot. I used to use a coffee pot. I no longer do that because basically I'm the only person who drink coffee. So this is all I need every morning is 1 cup of coffee. So I just get the paper filter, buy this little thing from Amazon, and I'm good. Not really the best, but that's what we have for right now. Salud. It's good. Okay guys, this is my chicken. My chicken have been in the freezer, in the fridge I'm sorry, overnight, seasoning, marinating. And I am, like I said before, I am making a simple curry chicken with white rice today. Right on the stove, I have a small portion of oil. It's already hot. I'll soon put my chicken in there. And next to it, what you see in this small vessel here is chicken skin. Now, this is not crazy. I did not have chicken stock in my cabinet to add to my curry chicken. So someone told me once that you can utilize your chicken skin because we remove the chicken skin. We don't use chicken skin. We throw it in the garbage. That chicken skin, you can utilize that chicken skin to make your chicken stock. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna boil this. I have garlic in there. I have some other ingredients in there, and I'm gonna boil that, and I'm using that as chicken stock. Guys, my chicken is on the way. I just put my chicken in my skillet here. In the back is my water for my rice. Quick and simple white rice, nothing fancy. And on the side here, my chicken skin, the skin of the chicken is boiling up. It's cooking up here with garlic and spices, and that's for my homemade chicken stock, which I will add to the chicken when the time comes. Like I said before, I'm just making a simple plain curry chicken and white rice today. Today's work day. We don't have time for long haul drag out video today. Okay? And guys, sorry, but I have to multitask, you know. As you saw before, I made my cup of coffee. And what I'm having for breakfast is just very simple. My Ezekiel cereal. Very good source of fiber. It has also a lot of good things like lentil, barley beans. Yes, good in protein, high in protein. And I'm having some of that with almond milk, vanilla almond milk, and that's what I will eat for my breakfast this morning. I'm not big in breakfast. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It's all dependent on my feelings. This morning I just feel to keep it to a minimum. I'll be right back. All I did to the cereal was just simply add a handful of green grapes to my cereal. I love green grapes. And yes, that's what I add to the cereal. I guess I'm getting my first serving of fruits for the day out of 3 servings that supposedly nutritionists said that we should have at least 3 servings of fruit per day. Well, at a good start, I guess. Yeah, so let me have my cereal, guys. I'll be right back with you. Okay, guys, as you can see, I am not frying. I'm not frying my chicken. Okay, I don't really fry too often. I'm kind of just like, you know, stir frying, I will say. Not really deep frying, you know, just slightly trying to brown it. Then I will add some green red peppers and some cilantro. I will add my chicken stock that's on the side. I will add more curry because this is curry chicken, and let it simmer down. Plain and simple, no big deal. I am just cutting up my fresh seasoning, my onion, my peppers, cilantro, some of these little multicolored tomatoes. And yes, you know, everyone do things differently, everyone cook differently. I've eaten curry chicken that only has dry seasoning. Some people just put dry seasoning to their curry chicken. I like to add fresh ingredients, my peppers and my things, legumes. You know, everyone is entitled to cook things the way they choose to, you know, and there's no wrong way. There's only your way or my way, but there's no wrong way, you know. I hate hearing people saying like, you know, oh, that's not the way to make this, or that's not the right way. That's that person's way to do it. That's their right way. You know, if you go to different countries, you will see that each country makes things their own way. It might be the same thing, the same ingredients, but it's prepared differently. And that's their way. Who is to say what's the right way or what's the wrong way? It's just your way, your style. That's all. I'll be right back. I've added my ingredients to my chicken. I will just let that stir fry a little more. And then I am going to add my cup of oops, I got my finger in it. My cup of homemade chicken stock. This is my homemade chicken stock. Garlic on top. This is garlic shit. This is garlic on top. Okay, garlic on top. And I am going to put my rice in my boiling water shortly. So how everyone is doing out there today. It's a great day. Beginning of the week. Right? It's a day for new beginnings. Okay? Yeah, a lot of curry. Because after all, it's curry chicken. I'm making a mess. Cover. Next thing. This is some habanero pepper. Gonna put a little bit of this habanero pepper sauce in my curry chicken. Yep. Let me show you what it's looking like. This is what my curry chicken is looking like so far. I'm going to turn it down, leave it, let it simmer, and take time and cook. Little bit more of this chicken stock can't hurt. So yes, I think boiling your chicken skin and repurposing it, you know, make your own chicken stock. I think that's a great idea. Don't waste your chicken skin. Oops. Guys, on the side here, I am sauteing some onion, garlic, some green and red peppers in some sesame seed oil. I love sesame seed oil. Yes, and then I'm going to add my green beans to that. Yes, because I like to eat some form of vegetable on a daily basis. I think we need vegetable in our life. We need to have it on a daily basis. I know a lot of people don't like vegetable, but I do, and I know that it's good and healthy for you. It is loaded with fiber, and it keeps you regular. Yes, vegetable provide an arsenal of nutrients to our body that we need. My rice is almost done, as well as my curry chicken. This is my curry chicken. It's what it looks like. I do not like thick gravy, so I do not add flour or cornstarch to my gravy. I don't like a thick gravy. I think my gravy is thick enough, and I like it just the way it is. I try not to use too much flour in nothing that I do, or cornstarch. I know a lot of people, I see a lot of people browning their meat with flour. No, I don't like flour in my meat. Flour is full of gluten and starch, and I'm trying to keep from those. I added a little salt and a little pepper to my string beans. I'm just stirring it up, and I'm going to cover it and just let them simmer. Now, coming back to the subject of flour, I'm not trying to discourage anyone out there that use flour in their gravy or in their meal, you know. I might use flour one day for something, who knows. But there is a lot of good healthy choices of flour out there. You can buy rice flour, you can buy potato flour. There is so many different types of gluten-free choices of flour out there that you can buy, you know, and it will be more healthier for your meals, you know. But I am not trying to discourage no one who choose to use the all-purpose flour. Like I said before, we all do things our own different way. We all have the right and choice to do things the way we want. There's no right or wrong way. The only way I am really interested about is the healthy way. That's the only way I am really interested about, to do things in a healthy way. Well, guys, dinner's ready. Everything is done. Oh, I'm burning my hands. Anyway, this is it for today's video. Well, guys, this is what I do it for this video. Thank you for taking your time out to cook with me today. I am about to get ready to go to work right now. Maybe you're doing the same. And remember, whatever you do out there, do it to the best of your ability. And remember also that no weapon formed against you shall ever prosper. Because he who sits high and look low will judge according to every one of us did. Whatever you do it to the best of your ability. Be kind to others, even if they're not as kind to you. And trust the process. Just trust the process. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and I see you next time. And pray that I'm able to upload this video. Okay? Ciao. Have a blessed day, y'all.